how do you, as a child, just wake up one day and say, okay, I want to be a secondary lender. I want to be the hell with the banks. I want to give money versus taking money from a bank. Like, how old were you when you realized that, and what does that journey look like for you?
Well, the one, I didn't wake up and think that way. I think my career sort of moved me in that direction. My background is finance and accounting. And throughout my career, obviously, I've done a lot of finance and accounting type roles with organizations in corporate America. And I spent a ton of time in corporate America, but grew increasingly frustrated with it. One of my roles was as a consultant, and I helped people borrow a lot of money through that role. And when I left that organization, I continued to do this, helping people borrow money on the side. Because I really enjoyed it, I really enjoyed the process, putting together the plans, putting together the forecasts, showing them how to approach lenders to receive monies from them, depending on what their needs were. As I became frustrated with corporate America, I decided to go into business for myself and leaned on the things that I knew extremely well and really enjoyed. I felt like the time was right to actually pursue something that I wanted to do rather than where your career sort of takes you, even though it was in my field. And pursued opportunities to basically become a lender and move on the side of being the actual person who provided financing opportunities for business owners. And when I went into it, I really thought the only thing I'd be doing was business loans. Lo and behold, I believe 30 days after I opened my doors, I did my first real estate loan. And real estate has continued to be the biggest thing that I do. We do a lot of real estate, all types: hard money, bridge money, permanent financing, cash out refis, the whole thing. But we also do a lot of business loans. I just felt like, because I had been in business, I would attract more business owners and operators and be able to do a lot more of those types of loans. And it's worked out where I've had a really unique balance: real estate investors, business owners, that actually we help with their financing needs in all types.